Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Volkswagen Polo BlueGT. So it is the top of the range GT model. It's the Mark 5, so just before the current generation. It's on a 66 plate. It's a really beautiful little car. It's got 150 horsepower, so it's 1.4 TSI, so it's got a lot of kick in a small car. It does really go. Well, it's got the 6-speed gearbox instead of the standard 5-speed gearbox that comes on the lower spec Polo, so think of it more as a mini Golf rather than a Polo. It's got all the sort of comfort and things that you'd expect from a Golf, but in a Polo sort of size. It is the 3-door model, so it's got that sporty look, and it's also got your 17-inch anthracite alloy wheels. As you can see, the bodywork's in mint condition. We'll give this a full 142-point inspection and a 2-year warranty, as well as 2 years roadside assistance should you require it. I'll show you the inside now and tell you a few more benefits about the Volkswagen Approved Use scheme. These seats are really nice. You've got the cream leatherette, leather trimmed all the way around. These just make the seats really hard wearing on the bits that get used the most. And then you've got your Art Velours blue micro fleece inserts, so really nice microfiber cloth there, and then just your normal grey cloth in the middle that makes a really beautiful seat. And they are sports seats, as you can see. They do bulk you quite a bit compared to the conventional Polo seats, so really nice seats there. You've got your 6.5-inch centre touchscreen, DAB radio, really nice to have obviously. You've got your sound controls, so you can change your bass, mid, treble. You've also got Bluetooth on this car, so you can connect your phone via Bluetooth, really useful feature. Talk about connectivity, you've also got 12-volt socket, USB port and aux as well. So whether you want to plug your phone in to charge it or do your Bluetooth or whatever, you've got all that functionality. Semi-digital dial display, so you've got your analog dials, and then this middle section, like I'd set it to the speed so you can see that in the middle. It's really useful, as well as having your speedometer there. It's done 26,816 miles, so not many at all. I've also got air conditioning, so really good. And you've got the dark headlining just for a bit more of a sporty effect. And 3 seats in the back. Even though this is a 3-door, you still have 3 seats, so really nice on this car. Cruise control as well on the steering wheel, really nice to have. You can just cruise down the motorway with the cruise control. It's a really nice feature to have, like I say. In the cabin, all really modern and has creature comforts that you'd expect from higher up models. So that is our Volkswagen Polo BlueGT here at Lancaster Volkswagen. If you have any questions about this car or any of our cars, please do not hesitate to contact us. We do offer flexible financial options as well as part exchange welcome from any brand. We look forward to speaking to you over the phone and seeing you in our showroom.